All right, so we've mentioned this before. We've talked about the coordinate plane at the beginning of the year, but we're just going to rehash it because now the rest of the unit we're going to be graphing things, graphing lines. So that's super important that we understand where all the parts of the um, graph are and where they are and what they do. So remember, the x-axis goes across the horizon. So the x-axis goes left and right. So this is the x-axis. The y-axis goes up and down. Okay. Um, an ordered pair is a point on the graph on the coordinate plane. We typically write it as x, not typically, it's the only way to write it, as x comma y. That means we go left, right, then up and down. Um, so you have to crawl, so go across to the x coordinate before you climb up to the y coordinate. The origin is 0, 0 on the graph. It's the middle point. Okay, so this is the origin right here. Okay, and some reminders that this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. And this one's plus plus, this is minus plus, this one's minus minus, and this one's plus minus. Okay, so just some reminders there. When you're plotting points, remember we go x, then y. We're gonna go over to -1, up 5, and put a point. When we put the point, we label it whatever letter it is. So in this case, it's A. Okay, you don't have to draw this little part. Just plot the point. Is fine. And then you do B, which is 0, and then up to 3. That's B. If you could pause the video and do the rest, do C, D, E, F really quick. So pause the video and try that. C should have been down there. D should have been up here. E should have been 1, 2, 3. Here's E. And then F should have been here. Okay, so C, D, E, F. Now that we have those plotted, now we're going to write our ordered pairs, but we have to figure out how we get there. So from G, we go all the way over to -7. So my ordered pair is -7. And then we go up to an 8. So -7, 8. For H, we go over 9, but we don't go left and right. So it's going to be 9, 0. If you could do L, J, M, and K, do those, find those ordered pairs for me right now, and pause the video and do it, and then we'll check it real quick. So J is at -5, -8, because this is the negative negative. K is at 0, -2, because we didn't go left or right, we just went up and down. L should have been 2, 6, and M should have been 1, -6. Okay, so that's the coordinate plane. Now you have homework to do.